Integrity, service, and excellence. That's what you can expect when working with Pennington Law. I'm here now with Andre L. Pennington. Thanks for having us here at your office.
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay, so let's get right to it. Tell me why you started Pennington Law.
Well, it actually started when I was in law school. I wanted to be like Tom Cruise and be a trial attorney and bang on some tables and tell somebody they couldn't handle the truth. But then my grandmother was diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and it was the type that you blink and it's different. And she had no estate planning documents, and my family struggled through the process. So I promised myself then, whenever I get to where I'm going, that's what I was going to do to honor her memory.
And you did it.
I did do it.
Okay, I love that. So why is it important to have an estate plan here in Arizona?
Arizona is a probate-heavy estate. What that means is the court's going to get involved. It takes a long time, about a year. It's going to cost thousands of dollars. But more importantly, the family we leave behind, our loved ones, emotionally struggle for too long. So in Arizona, to avoid that, we create an estate plan so that it operates outside the court. It protects the estate from creditors, against taxes, and it does all kinds of things on the financial side that you wouldn't be able to do otherwise.
Okay, sounds very important.
Very important.
So let's say someone doesn't have anything. They don't even have anything filled out, nothing to their name, right? Like written out. So what do they do? Where do they start?
You start by calling us here at the office. We'll send an easy questionnaire out to you to get you thinking about all the things you have to think about. Even if it's filled out partially, at least we've come in kind of thinking about it.
Okay.
And then sits with me or one of the other attorneys, and we discuss what the client's goals are. Okay,
and it's a pretty easy process, right? You make it comfortable and...
Very easy.
Okay.
The first thing I'm going to tell every client is your goals are my goals. But I really listen to the client and try and figure out what they're trying to do.
Okay, so how has your 17 years in the Air Force helped your career and your law firm?
The core values of the Air Force are integrity, service, and excellence. That's the bedrock of how I was raised up as an attorney. The other thing is they put you in all kinds of different situations. So I was chief of estate planning. It was called chief of legal assistance, but it's estate planning. I got top-notch training from there. I've been in situations where I had to advise on lawful targets. I've been in situations where I was the prosecutor in a court-martial. But it just puts you in all kinds of situations that gives you a vast amount of experience.
So all that experience has led you to multiple locations here in the Valley?
Exactly. We have our surprise location, the one we're standing in. We have Sun City West, Verrado, and Peoria.
Okay, well, congratulations on all of that. Okay, so not only are you a successful estate planning attorney, but you're also working in the financial world.
That's correct. I'm a licensed financial professional, so I own and operate Pennington Wealth. I'm also a senior marketing director for World Financial Group. Okay. It's a Trans-America company, and it's one of the largest financial services companies in the world.
Okay, so what brought you to do all that?
With estate planning, I would see what was happening when the market would drop. My clients are a little different. They're not like you or me, where they have years to regain their money back. So if an 85-year-old is depending on their retirement and it drops 20%, they can only afford 80% of their bills. In my mind, if somebody's moving out of their community, away from their support system, away from their routine, it's very detrimental to their life. So I wanted to figure it out. I actually wanted to know for myself, like, what are the ways we can protect retirements? What are the ways we can protect it and still be able to participate in the upside of the market? So that's what we do here. We help clients protect their estate, but also protect their finances with the growth of the market.
Okay, so with all of that, you started this originally because of your grandmother. What do you think she would say to you now?
Wow, I had never thought of that before. I think she would hug me and say she was proud of me.
I love it. All right. Well, thank you for sharing your story. And if people want to get a hold of you, where do they go?
Just go to PenningtonEstatePlanning.com, and you'll be able to find each of our locations.
Or you can call the number there on your screen. Thanks for having us out.
Thank you.